One word I would describe her as perfect. I just wanna say na she's perfect just the way she is. Di na kailangan baguhin sarili niya. And if I were to describe her in one word, which is impossible kasi ang daming words na I could give to Alexa to describe her. But siguro right now, I just wanna say, Alexa, you're perfect. Just the way you are.
Time na sinasabi niya yan, kinikilig talaga ako inside. Kahit di ko pinapakita. Siyempre natatouch ako kasi na-feel ko na sincere talaga siya pag sinasabi niya yun. Hindi siya bola lang na to get on my good side, ganyan, or para lang matuwa ako. Na-feel ko talaga from his heart na yun talaga yung tingin niya or yun yung nakikita niya sa akin. Which is, it feels nice kasi yun ang hindi ko makita sa sarili ko. So when you have someone who shows you what you're missing, at least it feels really nice to me. So thank you.
We both give each other unconditional care and unconditional love. Kasi sometimes showbiz could be hard and sometimes, di talaga maiiwasan yung mga insecurities. But I guess me and Alexa, we're there to reassure each other na you're not what you think you are. Kasi me and Alexa, we both have similar thoughts then. We have similar anxieties. What if we're not good looking? What if we're not this? What if we're not that? But we're there to give each other positive reaffirmation and assurance and care din.